Ever wondered how to make a dragon with just a piece of paper? Welcome to the captivating world of origami, a timeless art that transforms simple sheets of paper into intricate and beautiful creations. Today we're diving into a project that is as enticing as it is challenging, crafting a paper dragon. This majestic creature, born from a blend of precision, patience, and creativity, is a testament to the endless possibilities of origami. Stay tuned as we unfold the mystery behind creating a dragon using nothing but a single piece of paper. Before we dive into the process, gather these simple materials. The beauty of origami lies in its simplicity. All you need for this project is just one thing: a square piece of paper. Any kind will do as long as it's square. You may also want to have a flat, clean surface to work on. This could be a table, a desk, or even the floor, if you're comfortable. No fancy tools or expensive materials required. Once you've got your single piece of square paper, you're all set to begin. First, let's start with the basics. Origami, the art of paper folding, is all about precision and patience. To create our dragon, we begin with the square base, a common starting point in many origami projects. Here's how it's done. Take your piece of paper and fold it in half diagonally, creating a triangle. Unfold it, then fold it diagonally the other way. You should have two intersecting lines forming an X on your paper. Now fold it in half horizontally and vertically, creating a smaller plus in the middle of the X. Unfold it again, and you'll see a star-like pattern on your paper. Now the magic happens. Hold the paper by the corners and push towards the center. Your paper should collapse along the folded lines, forming a smaller square. This is your square base, the foundation of your dragon. Congratulations! You have just made your first steps towards creating your paper dragon. With the base ready, it's time to shape our dragon. Creating the body of the dragon is an exciting step. We're going to transform our flat piece of paper into a three-dimensional work of art. But remember, origami is all about precision. The beauty of our dragon lies in the sharpness of its folds and the neatness of its creases. So let's dive right in. Start by folding the lower half of the base upwards. This forms the underside of our dragon. Next, fold the upper half downwards to create the dragon's back. Now, we have the basic body shape, but a dragon isn't a dragon without its spine ridges, right? So let's add those. Take the top layer of the dragon's back and fold it upwards. This creates the first ridge. Repeat this step for the remaining layers, and voila! Our dragon now has a spine, but we're not done yet. The last thing we need to do is give our dragon some depth. To do this, we're going to perform a series of valley and mountain folds along the body. This will give our dragon its three-dimensional shape, and there you have it. With just a few precise folds and creases, you've turned a simple piece of paper into a dragon's body. Great job! You've successfully formed the body of your dragon. Now for the final steps to bring your dragon to life. We're going to start by sculpting a fierce head for our dragon. Imagine a dragon's head with its sharp, pointed snout and its horned crest. That's what we're aiming for. Now, take the top corner of your origami paper and fold it down, creating a triangle shape. This will serve as the dragon's snout. For the horns, make two small folds at the top. Moving on to the tail, unfold the bottom corner and fold it upwards, creating a sharp point. This will give your dragon a long, sleek tail. Now make several diagonal folds along the tail, mimicking the scales of a dragon. Next, we'll add some wings. Find the middle of your paper and fold it outwards on both sides. This will create a wing-like shape. Now make several small folds along the wings, giving them more depth and realism. Finally, let's not forget the dragon's claws. Fold the corners of the paper inwards to create sharp points resembling the claws of a dragon. Repeat this process for all four corners, and there you have it. You've just created your very own paper dragon. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to create dragons of all shapes and sizes. Remember, the key to origami is patience and precision. So take your time, enjoy the process, and let your creativity soar. Let's quickly recap what we've accomplished today. We started with a simple piece of paper, and step by step, fold by fold, we've crafted a magnificent dragon. From setting up our starting point to building the dragon's body and finally adding those finishing touches, each stage was crucial in bringing our paper beast to life. I encourage you to practice, explore variations, and create your own paper masterpieces. Thanks for joining us on this origami adventure. Remember, with a bit of patience and practice, you can transform a simple piece of paper into a majestic dragon.